For the repair of the power supply by Technonautica, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use a multimeter and a battery. We connect the power supply to the battery, and through the multimeter we confirm that the battery is charging. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the power supply by Technonautica is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.